Good morning, Graham Doessel, MyCRA specialist credit repair lawyers in Brisbane. We're the only law firm in the entire country that work exclusively in the area of default removal, judgment removal, inquiry removal, and now repayment history information removal. Those nasty little suckers that are pretty new and that will stop you getting finance just because you're 14 or 15 days late making your payments. So I want to talk today about what is a clear-out and what you can do about it. So clear-out is another name for a serious credit infringement. Now, serious credit infringement is defined as an act of fraud. That's pretty serious. So, in the past, what a clear-out was if the creditor couldn't find you, let's say you changed address and forgot to update your address, and they sent you a letter, pardon me, and that letter was returned to sender. They say, he must have skipped out on his bills, he's a dodgy so-and-so, and we're going to list you as a clear-out. Now, clear-out stays in your credit file for 7 years, and it can only be a clear-out if it's unpaid. Now, there's some good and some bad in that. Some good is that whether or not the creditor has listed you correctly, let's go into that in a moment, but if you have a clear-out on your credit file and you pay it, it automatically reverts back to being a standard default on your credit file. So what that means is that it goes from 7 years down to 5 years. Now, what we've had in the past is clients have come to us 6 years after the matter was listed and it's unpaid, and we said, look, don't spend money with us, just go and pay it. If you pay it, it will then be changed from a clear out to a default, and it goes from 7 years down to 5 years, and because you're already at your 6th year, it automatically comes off. So, you know, it's gone. The trouble happens when the client says, yeah, but it's not my bill, I didn't know the money. Well, then they're better off to pay us, and we'll have the thing removed without them having to pay the bill that wasn't their money. So, what has a creditor got to do today to list you as a clear-out? Well, legislation is pretty clear. They've got to actively try and find you for 6 months. They have to make reasonable efforts to find you. So that's not just having one letter returned. We can go into more detail when you give us a call on 1300 667 218. But if you've got a clear-out or a serious credit infringement on your credit file, give us a call. We'll step you through the process of what's required in your particular case to remove it. Pardon me. Keep in mind that if it's a small enough bill, just pay it, and it automatically reverts back to a 5-year period. If you're between the 5 and 7 year period already, like it's already been on there more than 5 years, and you pay it, it will automatically be deleted from your credit file. But again, we're still happy to step you through that process anyway at no charge. Give us a call, 1300 667 218. Speak to my team of lawyers, paralegals, or specialist support staff, and we'll tell you what your options are. If you want to engage us, how much it'll cost, how long it's likely to take, all that sort of stuff in your specific case. So thanks very much, everybody. It's been Graham Doessel, MyCRA specialist credit repair lawyers in Brisbane. Have a great day.